Now, we'll have to display the score, obviously. So we're going to do this in the top left corner, and I'm going to use a canvas to do that. So create a canvas, pretty straightforward. Click on a game object, UI, and select canvas. We always need a canvas to display stuff. Now, inside of that canvas, we're going to create, there's many ways. We could create a panel, or we could just create it straight here. So I'm going to right click and add a UI object, and just for the score, just some text. So the score will be text. Here it is. We should see it somewhere. Now the text color is black, so we're not going to see it. So let's make it white so that it's easy to see. All right. Now it says new text. Excellent. And I'm going to change its height from 30 to 60 so that it's a lot bigger. And do it for 160. That's more than enough. And what I'm going to do is move this to the top left corner. How do I do this? Well, I'll select the rect transform and move it to the top left, then click on the Alt or Option key and put top left as well so that it goes there as well. Excellent. Now, the next step is to move it a little bit to the right so that it doesn't touch the edge too much. And to do this, I'm going to work on the position. I can move the position on the X by a few more pixels. Here we go. And then the position on the Y by a few more pixels down. Here we go. All right, so that's already better. Now, something else I want to do is make it bigger so that we can see the score. First, I'm going to put it 0 by default so that we see a 0, but it's very small. So let me increase its size by changing the font size. Right now it's at 14. I'm going to put, let's say, 40. All right, that's already better. Let's go with 50. Okay, cool. 50, and we can definitely see the score. Now, what we need to do is create the logic to increase that. And what we need to do is rename this text to score text, okay, so that we know it's the score. All right, score text. Now, I'm going to tell the manager that this exists. So I'm going to click on the manager and select the manager references script. And here, I'm going to add the score text. So to add the score text, it's a UI element. So I need to add the UI framework or library. So using system, that's using Unity Engine .ui. Here it is. Now we can use the text. So right after the score, public text with an uppercase T, score text. Good. All right. And now what we need to do is display the score here by doing score text dot text is equal to score dot toString, so that we know it's a string and we can display the text. Excellent. And that is that simple. Now to do, play a sound effect. Play a sound effect of score up. Okay, so that anyone can do. We can do that later at any point. It's as easy as adding a sound effect and pressing play with the name of that sound effect. But anyway, now we need a reference to the score text. As you can see, it says known right now. So I'm going to take the score text and drag and drop it inside of the score text, inside of the manager reference. Boom, here it is, I see it. Okay, good. So now I can just press play. And what's going to happen, I'm going to take the star and the score should increase. Let's see. Yep, that's it. The score went to 1. Okay, excellent. It works perfectly. Now, I just want to make the score a little bit bigger by making it bold. Okay, so it's normal, but I make it bold so that we can see it better now. Excellent. All right, so that's it for the score.